All right, I'm ready. I'm gonna go.
Stand up and go to far spawn. If you don't know what far spawn is, follow people that do. We all don't know. You all don't know? Go that way. Oh, back right corner.
Just go somewhere.
Just as far as you can.
Alright, bullet team, go and stand up and then go to full spawn.
All right, I'm gonna hang back and I'm gonna find Corey.
Alright. Hey, where's the scan at? Skirmish band. Yeah, no, look. Hold right there. Am I fucking retarded? Is this supposed to just dangle? Yeah.
I guess.
It's high.
All right, let's just post up here and we'll wait. What the f are they? Craig, I'm in here. Let's go the other way. They know we're here. Oh, wait. I'm gonna go back to spawn anyways. I already called it. I'm here. I'm here. Sorry. Corey! My brother in Christ, I think I shot you. Where the f is everybody? I'm gonna check upstairs, okay? It's clear up here. That's Corey. Hi, Corey. Watch this way. Watch out. Sorry. Did I hit you?
I don't know if it was you or him. So I'm just gonna go.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Not done, but hit.
I shot my girlfriend. I'm just putting that into my mind now. And I'm trapped. I guess I'm going down. Huh? Where are you?
I don't remember how to take it out.
It's this button right here. On this side?
Am I blind?
Other side.
Oh, that's why. Thank you.
How many fingers?
Dude, when you get hit, you stand back in. You don't walk out.
Oh, fuck.
He walked out after he got hit
Dude,
once.
I didn't fucking know.
Dude, I hit him square in the chest,
Dude,
and
I
I'm
was
like, dude, I think I hit you, and he goes, no, he just keeps running.
Dude, I was wondering
I
where
only
he was
went
at.
out when someone hit me where I got fucking burned. What the fuck?
Oh, I can't wait to use this thing. It's beautiful. Over there? Okay. You want to see me? Are you just going to follow me around?
You know, I didn't treat you too bad.
What do you mean you injured me?
Yeah, that's not very nice.
I had to leave work for 4 hours and go to the doctor.
Do you get shot very often by accident?
Surprisingly, when I wear the orange
Really?
vest. Yeah. Like, I decided, you know, I'm not going to wear it today because there's not a lot of people and it's hot.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten shot today.
Interesting.
So, don't shoot me.
Can't, just one?
No. No.
Just one?
He set me up for victory. That's what he did. He picked a game mode where I can use this.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm retarded. Okay, so we don't have to scan.
Just once, just to register that we're on that team.
We just run to.
This is Alamo. This is our objective. When you get here, that'll have a light on it. If it's blue, don't scan it, because we've already scanned it. If it's red, scan it, we'll capture it.
That's fine.
What's up? Hey, damn. You hurt my finger.
I'm sorry.
Is it just falling out?
Yeah.
You putting it in upside down, dumbass. Not you.
I told you I did.
My love, I need you to help me. I'm doing something wrong, or it's not working. I took it out twice already. Oh, God, I forgot about that. I'll be honest, this
Already
really
wasted.
Thank you.
Make call outs if you can. All right, there's one on the other side of the Alamo right there. No. He's on that side of the building right there. I'm gonna run out and try and find people. I had the safety on, damn it. You're lucky, Corey, my safety was on. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Hi, Corey. I've got a bullet waiting for you. I'm hit. I'm so close and yet so far.
I didn't even hear Corey say hit.
I'm gonna go this way. I've got a special feeling. Maximum effort. The reference. Sorry. Oh, so close. Oh. I'm right there. I shot nothing. Woo! All right, that is that done. And now we play the game. You're okay. Gotcha, Craig. That first shot accuracy is wild. yeah. Thank you. Corey, come over here.
Yay, finally I can be on your team.
Cry about it. I'm also blind, so I can see better with that blind.
There's no need to count, they're even.
Just counting all the blobs at this point.
Why am I seeing 3 of them? Sir, how many drinks have you had tonight? None.
A lot. I've already got to pee.
Do it.
Oh, is that what you're going with, man?
That's all I have.
Dude, that's awesome. Look what he's got.
That's good. Hell yeah.
Dance, boy, dance. Now they can't hear you. Oh, 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 hey. This is new to me. You go ahead.
Tesla just cause I say so. Electric whip like Ivan Van Gogh. I just did it. W's on me, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is.
Go for it. Cover 6. That's fucking awesome, dude. He's already over there. There's one in here. I got it.
Oh, we don't need to do it?
No, we're good. We just gotta check on and up on it in a little bit because that's close to their spawn. Damn, what the f? Ah. All right, I'm going that way. Do I scan in again? I guess we'll do it. Yep. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I love you. I'll go. Just, well, now there's only 2. Over here? Got it. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot. I keep getting shot by the guy who says he's not good.
We're going around the corner of the building.
All right, I'll try and flank him again. That one's ours. Going. We got it. They're that way. There's one this way. Yeah, there's two that way. Right in that opening. There's no way that didn't hit him.
All I'm doing is hitting him, bro.
Hey, call it.
I did. I let you call your hit.
I'll follow you, point him out, I'll light him up. Come on, Corey. We're going to kill a motherfucker. Ow, that hit me in the thumb. How the fuck did he manage to do that? Dented my thumb.
Man, I'm so blind. I was waiting for Field because I can't see the dark.
Call it, dude. There's no way. That last one did. No, you're good. If you have your grown cone up, man?
It's alright.
It is?
Yeah.
Dude, that shit, look
I'm
at
shooting 2.8.
look at my nail.
Oh, that's a fingernail.
I was like,
First game at Awaken from cross map with the cap.
I've never had this happen. I was like, what the f is he shooting with? Holy f.
Fingernail to that. Every single one of them.
Alright, I'm going. God, that hurts.
I won't be scared of you anymore.
Yeah?
Are you scared of me now?
Yeah, because I never know what's going to be around the corner.
Yeah.
There's something following her.
Yeah. My demon.
There's always something following me. It's either him, Craig. I was following the other guy, but close enough.
Flat. If you guys are looking towards Alamo, the left-hand side of Alamo in front of the police station, there's a big green box and it pulls two flags. One red, one blue. Your guys' job is to raise your team's flag all the way up in the air. If the enemy team has the flag up, bring it all the way down. At the end of the game, whoever has their flag left standing wins. Cool?
Alright.
Red team, stand up! Go far!
Yeah.
Oh, sir. Finally, I got far from.
I know, I've been over here most of the time.
You're just giving me far today. Thank you.
I can do this through my. Sounds like my heart monitor. I wish it clicked.
Yeah. 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 Yes. Go for it. Go. Go. I felt that whiz by my head. All right, let's not go that way. Wait, what team am I on? Red? Okay. Hi, guys. Ah! Hit. Craig! Did you hit my girlfriend? Yeah. How dare you? Yep, just right through. Hit. Hi. I'm behind you. Watch out, they're over there. I'm gonna raise our flag. Cover me. Just cover me, okay? I got hit in the side. Okay, thank you. What's up? Oh my gosh, I'm retarded. I raised the wrong flag. I raised the wrong flag. Yeah, there ain't no way. Huh? I went in and did a room sweep and only one of them walked away. And I raised the wrong flag. One over there? Alright, I'm going for it. Which room is he in, do you know?
Not far.
Alright, I'm going. My poor fingers. Oh, I'm getting pissed. If I could force close the game to the home screen, I would right now. Oh my gosh. Fuck it. Scared the crap out of me right there. I forgot you were there. Red, did it go off again? Oh my gosh. 3. Well, I thought I hit 3. I guess none of them called it. Oh! Oh, that is infuriating. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I am pissed.
Bro, the only reason why we didn't shoot you was because your leg was off.
No, I raised the wrong flag. I went over there and raised that whole damn flag, and then after I died, they were like, hey, that's the wrong flag, bud.
I shot you like twice.
Yeah, dude, that last time you shot me, I was peeking your corner for no joke like 20 seconds, and I was like, I don't see a single soul.